In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel into Smartsheet. We'll walk through this process from inside an existing project sheet so you can see exactly what it looks like in a real workspace. Go ahead and open your Smartsheet account and navigate to the project sheet where you want your Excel data to live. This could be a project plan, a tracker, or any other sheet you're already using. Make sure you're in the grid view so things look similar to what you see in the examples. Once your project sheet is open, look towards the top of the screen for the main toolbar. There will be a highlighted option or icon that opens up additional actions for this sheet. Click on that highlighted area. This is where Smartsheet groups a lot of your sheet-level actions and options, including adding content from other places. After that first click, a menu or panel will appear with more choices. Again, look for the highlighted option shown in the guide you're following and click it. This will open up the section where you can add items into your workspace. The wording in your interface might vary slightly depending on updates, but visually, you're aiming for the menu that lets you bring in external files. Next, choose the option labeled Add to Workspace. This tells Smartsheet that you want to add something new, like a sheet or data, into the current workspace you're in, rather than creating it somewhere else. When you click this, Smartsheet will show you different sources you can import from. From that list, select Microsoft Excel and CSV. This is the option that lets you upload spreadsheets that were created outside of Smartsheet. When you click it, a file picker window will open where you can browse your computer or your connected storage to find the Excel or CSV file you want to import. Once you've located your Excel file, click on it, then click the highlighted confirmation button to select it. You'll usually see the file name appear in the import window. Take a quick moment to make sure you've chosen the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions. When you're ready, click on Continue. Smartsheet may take a moment to process the file, especially if it's large or contains many columns. After it's ready to go, you'll see an option to finalize everything. To complete the process, click on Import. Smartsheet will bring your Excel data into the workspace, creating a new sheet based on that file. Once the import is done, review the new sheet to confirm that your columns, rows, and data all look the way you expect.